So now let's see how we can work around with shape keys inside of Blender. So to work around with shape keys, first of all, what I need to do is I'm going to go around and on my keyboard, I'm going to press Shift A to bring in a sphere just like this. So once I bring in sphere, you can see that on the right hand side, if I were to click on this little icon, that is object data properties, the shape key is here. So I'm going to add in some shape keys. I'm going to hit the plus button because this is the base shape, and I'm going to add in another key right here. So once I do that, there's key 1, as you can see. So now what else I can do is I can hit tab on my keyboard, and this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around, and while I'm on key 1, I'm just going to pull this out right here. And then I'm going to press tab again, and you can see that this is the base shape. If I were to press tab again, you can see this. If I were to go to base, you can see that the base shape is there, and this is the key 1 shape. Let me just press tab. While I'm on key 1, if I were to click and drag the value, you can see that I can move from the base shape to the key shape right over here. So now let me just do this again. Add in another key shape. I'm going to go around and pull this value just like this. And I'm going to hit tab again. So if I were to go to key 2 and use the value, you can see that I can pull this value now. So this is key 1 and this one is key 2. So now I can combine key 1 and key 2 to change around the shape. And the good thing about this is you can use around to change the shape according to what you like, just like that. And that is how you can use the shape keys option inside of Blender to change around the shape of the object on a dynamic basis. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.